Do you know this eco paradise exists in Sri Lanka? Let me show you something very beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome to 136 acres of beautiful and eco villa located in Sri Lanka. Here we can see very beautiful and eco-friendly infinite pool with baby pool. I want to tell you that here have very clean garden with varieties of many flowers. The main thing is this infinity pool is maintained with natural spring water that comes from the natural hills. The main thing is it has more than 180 degrees of natural view. Another thing is it has very easy access to the bungalow for any vehicle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos show you more hidden gems of this villa.